Hello everyone, this is the React Native Todo App series. In the last two videos, we covered the how to create the custom component and also how to use the React navigation library. And also we create the true screen with the name of the onboarding and the sign up. So in this video, we will create the sign in screen. This is our UI for the sign in screen. So let's start with the practical. So I already create the sign in screen. So this is my sign in screen. So let's style this. First we need to style. So this is our design. So we need the image background also in here. So let's import the image background from the React Native. So we import the image background from the React Native. We also assign the image. Just come here, source, image path. We need the header icon. So we haven't applied the styling. So just come here. Let's style the image. First we need the height, and height we are not giving the height with the like 20, 40, 30. We will divide the height with the height. We are dividing the height with the height. I need a 7, and also width also dividing width with 1.2. I divide the width also with 2.5. See, we are giving the style, so with the dividing the width also and height also. So it will divide our full height to the 7, and width we are dividing the whole width. So we are dividing the whole width with 2.5. So and we also need a responsive mode. Maybe cover is, yeah, cover is good. So now we need to import our touchable opacity. And also we want to give the style to the background also. So see, we create this design also. This is our design. We need a little bit longer. So we need to, yes, we need. So maybe this is 8.2, 6.3. See, we create this design. So it's look now it's look better design. So we create the top design. We haven't given the styling also, like background color and color dot. We apply the color also to the background color. So now I need to call the navigations here. So let me import the navigation, and on press. See, we can go easily to the back screen also. Just import the welcome. we apply the design on text also. So now we need to import this image. Just come here and downloading this image. So see, we import the image also. We also apply the styling to the image, but now we need to import our text input component. And we import the two text input component, and we also apply the placeholder. And now I need to import the forget text. This is our forget text, and we need to. So let's come here. We will take two state also. Come here. Cons. see, we can also save the text input values to the our states. So now we need to another screen also forget password. So this is our forget password. So we will style the forget password. See, now we need to style our forget password. So for that we also need the forget password screen, but let's see if we are designing or not that screen. If you have a Figma of the forget password, so we can show design that. So let design the style of the forget text now. And we need to first color and we need to also margin top. So we import the we almost designed the our screen, but now we import our button also. So let me import the button. So let me import the button now. So this is our button. We need to button text. So now we need to have do you have an account? So like this. So we already designed in there, like just copy this design. The both are same. And just come here and search for the style. These two are the styling of these things. These two are the styling of these. And we have already do just copy this first and paste here. So question mark. First we import the navigation string, then sign up. We can go also back. We designed, but we are facing the problem of the like our welcome is in the top. So come here in the view. We already assigned the. First we remove this, and also remove the flags. And let me. We need the margin top also. Margin top. Rate scale 32. But see, when I say the margin top 32, so we hide the text also. So for that we need to wrap our view. So there is we have a view also. This is our view image background. Now after this is our view. We should wrap our whole view to the scroll view. Scroll view. Paste it. See, while we are scrolling, it's not look good. So just cut your scroll view and come in the top, and also this wrap your whole component. And also I want to give the styling also to the scroll view. We need a styling. Yeah, now it's look perfect, but we should bounce false. We scroll our whole component to the scroll view, but now also it's hiding a little bit. So just come to the your view here and just padding bottom moderate scale 40. So it will see. We can also hide the our scroll indicator. Just come to the scroll view, show vertical scroll indicator false. So now you cannot see the scroll indicator. So now see, now you cannot see the scroll indicator. We create the sign-in screen also. We also import our text input and text button. But now I need a little bit margin top from to the welcome text. I need a margin top to the welcome text. Let me 44 it. Look better. This is the designing of the sign-in screen, and we almost create the three screens like onboarding, sign up, and sign-in screen. So in the next video, we'll design these two screens, and also I will implement the Redux, also Redux Toolkit and the async storage. And so see you in next video. For now, bye bye.